Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're plunging straight into a comprehensive guide on how to use Zoho Project for campaign management. So let's get started. First up, we need to create a new project. To do this, head over to the Projects tab and click on Create New Project. It's important to give your project a unique and identifiable name. This is because it helps you to easily track and manage different campaigns. Next up, let's add tasks to our project. Navigate to the Tasks module in your project and click on Add Task. Remember, each task represents a significant action or event in your campaign. The reason we do this is to break down your campaign into manageable chunks, making it easier for your team to understand and execute. Now that we've done that, it's time to assign these tasks to your team members. Click on the Assign button next to each task and select the appropriate team member from the drop-down list. This helps us because it ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and can start working on their tasks straight away. The fourth step is to set a timeline for each task. Simply click on the Set Due Date button next to each task and select the appropriate date from the calendar. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a timeline ensures that your campaign keeps moving forward and that tasks are completed on time. The final step is to monitor your campaign's progress. To do this, head over to the Dashboard tab. Here, you'll find a visual representation of your campaign's progress. This is a critical step because it allows you to identify any bottlenecks or delays in your campaign and take corrective action promptly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Zoho Project for campaign management. Remember, the key to successful campaign management is planning, execution, and regular monitoring. So, go ahead and start managing your campaigns more effectively with Zoho Project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.